show you how you can think aloud, as in whereby you'll be thinking something in your mind. What you are saying will be, what you are thinking in your heart or your mind will be playing out without you even uttering any word, without you saying anything, and your mouth will not be moving, but what you are thinking in your heart will be playing out, will be speaking out. Let me show you how you can do that. To do is to open to your gallery and import the video that you have recorded where you are thinking without saying anything. All right, so let me import mine now. Okay, this is the video I want to use. I seen it. I'm nodding my head, shaking my head here, counting. All right, depending on what you are thinking of. Depending on what you are thinking of. Okay, so after now, what we do now is we type that thing that you are actually thinking. So I'm done typing what I want to use. Watch out. I type now. Wow, the rate is going up. God. 1 2 3 months for the year to end. God help us. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. All right, but you are not. I'm not saying it. So now let me change the font to be fantastic before we can now make the words to be talking. Okay, before we can transform the text to words. Okay, let me just change the font. Sorry. Okay, we change the font. I like using bold fonts like this one. You can change can reduce the size and also change the style if you want. Okay. Okay, so let me change the background. Let me make it to be like this. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. I've done this one. Let me do the other ones. Let me change the other ones like that. Let's do the same thing here. So I'm done changing the text. I'm making it bold and finer. The next thing now, click on text to speech. Click on text to speech and choose any character voice that you want to use. Okay, you want to use this one. Let's see how this one comes out. Text to speech field. Maybe network is bad. Let me try it again. So I've selected the one I want. The network was bad, so you select each one because I typed them differently. So you select each one, click on text, click on any one you want. I'm using normal female. Okay, network is actually disturbing me, but I'll just do it gradually. So I'm done generating them. Okay.
God, the rate is going up every day.
Are you seeing it?
God.
Okay, this one is 1 2 3, but it just got them together because the way I typed
the
it.
year to end.
So the purpose of this video is for you to just know how to do it. Okay, so this is how you can actually think aloud. All right, thank you for watching this video. Bye.